Today we're going to cover reinstalling a drive line. It's already up off the ground here, so you can see where this sleeve here connects. Once that is put on, then we can line it up. And you can see how I've done the rear. Just got this started here. On the other side, I don't have anything on there yet. This is what I'll put on there and bolt in. And then on the other side, you see how that shaft goes into the transmission? You want to tighten these clamps up. So once you get your shaft slid in with the teeth that just kind of line up with the transmission and the shaft of the drive line. See, I'm just holding up the length and balancing this, and you don't want it to fall and hit you in the head either. So in my case, I have a couple of exhaust pipes to kind of help me hold this in place. But once you get back here, this has a cast iron tab that's on the other side, and you can wiggle this back and forth so you can tell how this is going to line up before you put the shaft in the transmission. And you may end up doing this 2 or 3 times. What happens next is you put your clamps on there, bolt them down, and this should be good to go.